Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. The perfect balance of tangy and spicy flavors prepared using a select combination of Goan spices and the fresh sardines straight from the sea. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to reveal the secrets behind creating the perfect Ambot Tik gravy. So let's get cooking now and prepare some delicious Goan Sardine Ambot Tik. Step 1. Preparing the sardines. We have taken 500 grams of sardines. Place the sardine on a cutting board. Carefully remove the scales from every part of the fish like I have shown. We got around 9 pieces. You may get more or less depending on the size of the fish. Cut off the tail and all the fins as shown. Cut off the head and clean the stomach area. Remove all the waste from inside the stomach and discard. Wash it nicely. Follow the same procedure for all the remaining fish. Once done, wash all the fish properly. Fish is now ready to be marinated. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix well and keep it aside. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Add half cup or 120 ml of warm water. After around 15 minutes, squeeze the tamarind to remove the pulp and make tamarind water. Take 6 Kashmiri red chilies. If you want it more spicy, then you can either add 2 more red Kashmiri chilies or 2 Bedgi red chilies. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 3/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 10 black peppercorns. Half-inch stick of cinnamon. 4 cloves. Half-inch piece of ginger. 5 medium garlic cloves. Break the Kashmiri red chilies into smaller pieces. Cut the ginger and garlic into smaller pieces. Take 1 large onion. Cut it fine. Take 1 green chili. 3 medium garlic cloves. Around 4 to 5 pieces of kokum. Cut the green chilies into 2 halves and then slit it. Lightly crush the garlic cloves. Step 3. Preparing the curry paste. In a mixer grinder, add the Kashmiri red chilies. Add the garlic, black peppercorns, turmeric or haldi powder, cloves, cinnamon sticks, cumin or jeera seeds, ginger. Add the tamarind water. Then add 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water. Grind to a fine paste. Curry paste is ready. Add the ground paste in a bowl. Use 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water to remove the paste left in the mixer and save the rinsed curry water in a separate bowl. Step 4. Preparing the Sardine Ambot Tik. On medium heat, in an open, thick-bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut or any other cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onion. Stir it properly. Cook the onion until it becomes translucent. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Add the crushed garlic. Add the slit green chilies. Once the onion is golden brown, add the rinsed curry water. Then add the curry paste. Mix everything properly. Add 1 cup or 240 ml of water. Mix everything nicely. Now add the pieces of kokum.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add half teaspoon of sugar. Add half cup or 120 ml of water. Mix everything properly. Cover the pan and bring it to a boil. When the curry is boiling, open the cover. Stir everything properly. Curry should neither be too thick nor too thin. Add water based on the consistency. Add quarter cup or 60 ml of water or as required. Mix everything properly. Cover the pan and bring it to a nice boil. After around 3 to 4 minutes, when the curry is boiling, open the cover. Add the fish and reduce the heat to medium-low. Stir gently by shaking the pan in a smooth motion like I have shown. Avoid using a spoon at this stage or you will end up breaking the fish. Cover the pan and let it simmer on medium-low heat. Open the cover after 2 to 3 minutes. Stir gently by shaking the pan. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir gently by shaking the pan. Check the taste and add salt or kokum pieces if required. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Delicious Sardine Ambot Tik is ready. Serve it hot with rice, chapati or bread.
Help us spread the love for GoanCuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you. Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.